Hey everyone, this is the DJI Mic Mini. And I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I have been using the Go Docks for a very long time. I'm actually using that right now. But my little brother went ahead and got me an early birthday present, so I was very excited about this. Extra excited because this is actually starting to not work very well. The batteries die out very quickly now. I go through it probably, it dies in roughly about 30 or 40 minutes, so, but it is what it is. So let's get this going. Ooh, goes with a soft case. It's a little thicker than I anticipated. It's a nice case though. So this one you charge through here, and I like that it's not battery powered because that's two things that you have to charge, and that's kind of annoying. Oh, okay. This is interesting. All right, that's a nice feel. It's a great feeling case. It's a way better feeling than this. I mean, this is an older product, so that is what it is. Oh, that's cool. Oh, interesting. So it comes with... Come on, buddy. How do you get this out of here? Oh, it's not that cool. It's a little different. Dang, I can't even get this thing out. Holy moly. There we go. Jeez. This is cool. I guess this goes onto a DJI Pocket. All right, neat. Maybe. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Strong magnets. Oh, cool. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice click. That's nice. So each prop piece is actually really solid. Oh. Oh, interesting. God, that is really hard to come off though. This is neat. You know, that's interesting. I think that's so you can sort of use it on this. Oh no, that sucks. Well, you actually have to buy an adapter for this. I don't know if this is... That looks too goofy. That's funny. Yeah. So that works. That is so cool. And that's nice because that was not an option for the Godox. And so I actually had to buy a whole other microphone set for it. Oh, that's so handy. I know this is probably old for some of you guys, but I don't have a lot of I don't buy a lot of new equipment. I kind of buy old equipment and use them for a long time. I just realized this is a battery pack. So that's kind of annoying, but let me go ahead and charge that. All right, moving on. It's just some dead cats, different kinds. It's weird. I don't know why. Okay, and then standard cord and charger. Well, it's pretty bare bones there, but my dudes. I forgot to put this back on. Okay, well, I'm going to be using these from now on. So that's cool. So thanks, my little brother. What the heck? Why is there so many? Also, I don't like this compared to the Godox one. The Godox one has a curly one, and I much prefer that one. Just swapped out the, oops, let me fix this. I swapped it out. The cord feels significantly better, and this has lasted me a long time. That one, the one that comes with the DJI mic feels significantly cheaper, so that's unfortunate. I do like that extra length from this potential length, just in case I decided I needed to flex it out a little bit more, or am mounting it a different way. I don't know. Uh, a little bit extra room is just always preferred. So points for the Godox for that. But let's figure out why there's different ones of these boys. That clicks very easily. Okay. All right. I'm not sure the difference. I guess it's just for a backup. Whoa. Magnet. No, no way. So I didn't realize, but it has a magnet piece. Oh, it's a strong magnet piece. That's pretty cool. Interesting. All right, so it says Action 5 Pro. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about why there's two different kinds, so I'm just going to assume they feel exactly the same. They feel literally exactly the same, just different colors, so I'm just going to assume they're just double. But okay, I just saw that it can connect to the Action 5 Pro, but I don't have an Action 5 Pro. My little brother is the DJI Superman, but I do have another camera. I have the Xtra Edge Pro. Everything for DJI's action camera fits the Xtra Pro, and that includes the batteries. So just as an example, so currently don't have a battery in this because I've mainly been using my DJI Action 4. I use my Action 4 because frankly, if I lose it, I don't care. And I carry this thing around with me everywhere. So let's just, this is a DJI battery. Really see it right there, see? It works. Assuming it's charged. It works perfectly. Oh, it is charged. On. the Xtra. Now, hold on. This is the CyMac battery charger for DJI batteries. Here is the Xtra Muse, Xtra Edge Pro battery. And this is the DJI Action 4. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but the Muse non-pro, or God, I keep calling it Muse, the Xtra Edge, the regular model, is actually basically the same as the Action 4. And then the Action 5 Pro and the Edge Pro are the same, basically the same camera. Hold on, buddy. The cat is tired. Oops. See? The Edge Pro, the DJI battery also works vice versa on DJI cameras. Let's just find out if the mic, the DJI Mic Mini, works on this. Okay, so I'm actually updating the Edge, because I haven't updated since I had it. So let me go ahead and do that now. And I think this update offers Bluetooth wireless microphone connectivity. Oh, heck yeah. And let's pause this. Okay, so now we just play the waiting game. It is updated now. Let's connect this camera to this microphone. Oh, first one, microphone. Do I have to hit this button? Oh man, look at that. It is connected. Holy moly. Look at that. Okay, well, I don't know what other proof you need to show that Xtra is just DJI in disguise. It's magnetic there. There we go. Oh, that is so fun. Well, I love this mic even more. So, all in all, these are a perfect addition to my action cam collection that are set up. So, thumbs up there, buddies.